Can you grow Nepenthes at your workplace, at the office? Usually it will be like neon light and running an AC all the time. So this kind of condition, are they good for Nepenthes? Let's see. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on Windowsill Nepenthes since I moved to Canada. So today we'll talk about, can you grow Nepenthes at your office? Sometimes you will see on Facebook and other forums somebody that wants to grow Nepenthes at his workplace. And then he starts asking questions, why my plants don't grow any picture? So to answer this question, I decided to do a test for you. Last August, when I did the reporting of the small Nepenthes ex ventrata that I had, you see it had some small pictures there. It was healthy. So I decided to bring it at my workplace to run a test for you. So here is the video I did after 3 months at the workplace. So here is the plants at my office. So as you see, everything is green, nothing is dry. The leaves are shining bright green. Everything's okay, except that all the pictures are dead now. And even the new picture that tried to grow, they are drying up. So nothing, no picture, it's just a green plant. And the substrate is moist. It's good as I repotted this plant. So it's sphagnum perlite. The water is good also, 0 ppm, moist, without being damp. So everything is just fine except the light and the humidity. We are at the office here, so the light is just a regular neon, and that's not good. That looks bright, but for the plant, it's just not enough. The spectrum of the light is not good enough. So good for leaves, but not for trap. And it's not humid enough. It's really dry here. So because of the AC, so there is not a chance you get any picture. So I will bring it home now. As you see, not a lot of pictures. The plants was okay, good leaf, good proper shining leaves, green, everything was looking all right, except the picture. So something there prevents the picture to happen. So the next step for this test is 5 months ago, I decided to bring it home on my windowsill. Keep in mind, it was the end of October, so it was the beginning of the winter. Less light, more cold on the windowsill. My windowsill have no heater, no extra light, so really the basic. You could guess at the office it's more bright because of the neon light that run maybe 12 hours a day at least. But let's see how the plant reacts. Hi guys, I interrupt a minute to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the little bell? That's the best way for you to see more videos like that. So here we are, 5 months after, on the windowsill. So the plants grow properly, nice leaves, and look at the first picture she produced. So nothing compared to the small one that we had before, and the color is just great. That's really, for a first picture, I'm quite happy. There is liquid in it. The lid is kind of deformed a little bit because, again, it was winter. But beside that, the plant is just great. And here you see that the color on the node is because of the sun. So it's really enjoying the sun. And again, a new picture is coming. So I'm expecting this one to be fully formed. And all the old leaves died, but it's no big deal. I will clean that later. So, windowsill win. So as you see, even 5 months on a cold windowsill during winter, did way better than 3 months at the office. So except if you have grow lights and proper humidity, the plants will never grow pitcher at the office. So that's a no-go. Don't try it or really on plants that you don't like. So the best thing is to bring it home on your windowsill with proper humidity, the common humidity. Because at the office, usually they run the AC, so everything is really dry there. So even with a bucket of water under, it's not the greatest. Almost no change in temperature, it's never getting hot, never really cold. The neon lights are really garbage for plants. So yes, if you want to grow your Nepenthes at the office, forget about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question about a topic about Nepenthes, please leave me a comment and I will be happy to try to do a video about that. So until next time, happy growing!